1940 Ford Deluxe Sedan. Boyd Coddington red over saddle, my old buddy Boyd. Numerous first-place show wins. Blingy 350. Turbo Hydromatic 350 automatic. And leather interior and the Wheelsmith Custom wheels. Surprised they didn't put Boyd wheels on when it's Boyd.
Right, exactly. I didn't know he had, until I wrote this, that he had a line of paints.
Well, I didn't either. So,
well, when you have a name like Jay Leno or Boyd Coddington, put it on everything.
And I was business partners with him, and I didn't even know he had paint. How do I know?
You might be on that contract.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's a whole other story. We won't even get into.
Oh, okay.
Okay. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that big of a deal. Son of a gun. No. Yeah, it should have had the Boyd Coddington wheels on it, but it's nothing but that 1944 Deluxe Tudor Sedan. Normally they're in black or blue, and not much to them. In red, it really pops.
It does pop.
It looks great.
It reminds me of like, what was that? Oh, there was a bunch of children's books that were written in the 30s and 40s, and they always had a little red car like that. It just reminds me of that.